Let's talk options trading. More specifically, thanks to a question I got, could you please explain about the commission when you in and out the trade? How much? English, clearly not this person's first language, but hey, you know what? For a second language, very, very good English, so good job. But yes, how much does it cost to trade options? I want to look at a couple different scenarios, but let's build a little context first. So I'm going to walk you through an options trade here, and then it's a very quick one just to build a little context, like I said, so that you can see just how much this actually costs when it all plays out. So right there, throw my order out. It is filled. And then over here, you can see the position is open. And let's just see what happens with it. So just waiting, going for a sniper shot. And right there, you can see that fast, put $50 in my pocket. So how much did that actually cost me? So here we are looking at my broker, which is Lightspeed. And you can see right here is the $50 that I had made. So there was a trade count total of 2. Now how to? Well, remember, I bought one contract and then I sold one contract. So that's where the 2 was coming from. And there was the $50 that you saw me make. But now we hop over and tell, well, how much did that actually cost me? So total commission was $1.20 and then execution fees were at $1.24. So in other words, it was 60 cents per contract, right? Because 120 divided by 2 would be 60 cents each. And then same with over here. So when you take these and add them together, so again, I had $50, but then I have to subtract out the $1.20, and then I have to subtract out that $1.24. You see right here, $47.56. Now there must have been some other decimal points there, because actually still only came out to $47.55, but that's okay. $47.56, $47.55. Like I said, there's some little pennies here and there that are contributing to things, but overall, that's how much it cost me to trade using Lightspeed. 60 cents per contract, and then you had that execution fee right there at $1.24. And you'll notice all these were the same. So I took 4 separate trades. Each one was a buy and a sell. So that's where you had 2 for all of them. And you can see looking down, that's why all these numbers are the same there. And then all the numbers are the same right there. Now, maybe you're saying, okay, Clay, but do you have to pay fees? Do you have to pay commissions? And no, you do not. I do it, and I think it'd probably be a losing argument, but just call me a creature of habit. Been doing this for a very long time now. So I'm used to Lightspeed. I like the speed and the execution. So my strategy does require you to be very, very fast. But if you're not needing to scalp, if you're not needing to get in and out of stuff super, super fast, then you could probably use a free alternative, and there are lots of them out there. The one that I always am recommending is WeBull. They offer commission-free trades, and that is on your options also. And they're always giving away promotions, free stock, money if you use certain links to sign up. So if you are interested in learning more about WeBull and using them for your options, I'll put a link down below, and you can use that and then take advantage of whatever their promotion is. But even if you don't want to go with the free route because you want that extra speed, well then, as you saw here, at least for me, how much does it cost me? Right there at 60 cents per contract. And then you have that $1.24 execution fee, which you saw there. So really as straightforward as that. It's up to you now. Do you want to pay? If you do, what is a suitable amount? I will say Lightspeed offers very, very competitive rates. I'm not going to say they're the lowest, but of course, they're not going to be the lowest compared to WeBull, which is just totally free. But I will say Lightspeed is going to be faster than WeBull. But the whole speed thing, and it's not like it's 10 minutes slower. I mean, it's some people probably won't even notice a difference. But that's all, like I said, the ball's in your court. I'm not sure how fast you need your execution, your strategy, needs to be. But if you don't really care about time, then yeah, I would say consider WeBull and get those commission-free trades. Because I will say they add up over time. So maybe 60 cents doesn't seem like a lot. I mean, it's not. But I will also say that it can add up over time, which is why maybe it would be a losing argument for me to just say that the speed is worth it. And that's something that I'm always, maybe consider changing in the future. But as far as how much does it cost to trade options, there you go. If you have any other questions, let me know down below. As you saw, a question prompted this video. So I am always reading and commenting and replying to anything that you leave below the video. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.